Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm making this video to talk about the whole EPA issue that's going on. I was just watching a video from Evan Shanks. He was basically talking about his life experience and how car saved his life and everything. And I just wanted to come on here and speak about why I'm so into cars and why cars are just part of me. A lot of people are taking this to a different perspective. Some people are saying they saved their life. Some people are saying they enjoy it. In my position, I enjoy working on my car with my friends, making my car clean, making my car look nice and all that, and aesthetically and function the way it functions and everything. I like to make my car a little bit faster, a little bit louder. Nothing that I'm not straight piping my Nissan either, because then it would just just sound terrible. But I'm obviously doing everything as legal as possible, besides my tint. My tint is pretty illegal, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm barely 20 years old. My friend is also 20. We're just starting our YouTube channel. We're just getting to modifying our Sentras, and I want to get into drifting because that's something I really want to get into and I really want to enjoy with my friends and everything. So this whole EPA thing that's going on of not being able to modify our vehicles anymore is going to affect us a lot, because everything about me revolves around cars. If it's from watching TV to just basically going out at night and driving and going to see other cars, other people's builds, because that's, in my opinion, that's what I'm into. I want to build something so that way I can drive it and have pride on what I've built with my friends in the garage. It's not just building something to go fast. I know some people enjoy going fast and all that, but I enjoy also driving nice and slow and showing my ride off, showing what I've built with my buddies in the garage, and being able to go to car meets and show my, you can say it's an art piece because we built it. And I know there's some people in the community that do two-step their cars. They do a lot of stuff that annoys people in some ways, like turning on your car early in the morning that's straight piped and it's a V8. You're obviously gonna piss off some people, but we should just tone that down a bit, if anything. But it's gonna affect mostly a lot of people that own companies that provide us the parts. Like for example, the ones that I show you guys is 2J Racing. That's the one that I buy my parts from. Like, they won't be able to sell the parts that they sell anymore because the EPA doesn't want that anymore. And just because they don't see the reason why people modify their cars doesn't mean that it's I don't know what I'm trying to say to you guys, but it's just bad. Once I heard about the whole EPA and everything, it hurts. Honestly, it started getting my heart racing, and I started getting panicked, and I'm like, man, I just started my YouTube channel. I just started modifying my car. I just started doing all this, and now they want to take it away. I don't enjoy driving a regular car to work and back. I wanna be able to drive a car that I can enjoy, and it's an amazing handling car. That's what I'm going for. But they're just trying to take that away. Sorry, that's the dog upstairs. But yeah. I already sent a petition for the EPA, but like Evan said, anybody that is a YouTube creator in the car community should post a video and share their story about why they modify their own vehicles, for what reason. And my reason is obviously nothing like Evan's, and I just want to put out my story out there. It's very sad. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can sign the petition for the EPA and all that. But it's honestly very sad to hear that I'm just 20 years old and the EPA already wants to take something away, and it's gonna hurt a lot of people. But yeah, that was pretty much it. That's all I wanted to talk about. Obviously it wasn't in depth like other videos. I just wanted to put my story out there of why I like to modify my car, and obviously I don't do it to piss off any other people or be annoying to other people. I just do it just to enjoy time with my friends, you know. So if you guys want to go sign that petition, I'll leave a link in the description of where you can sign it. Go ahead and sign it. If you are a content creator, or you want to just post something on Facebook, or you want to do anything on your social media, get the word out there, share your story, maybe you'll get a lot of views, and you know the EPA will see it, and I'll let you guys go. Hopefully it doesn't get taken away, and hopefully we continue making more content for you guys, more Central Gang stuff.